Hello everyone, it's Promise. So this is just a quick review of a trade I took on Thursday. Starting the day, I was looking at this volume balance, the separation between these two candles to support my bias, which was bullish bias. All right. So I'm measuring out the close of this candle and the open of this candle. That's the ICT volume balance. It's one of its PDRAs. So I'm looking at that to support price. And again, ICT in his recent videos and teachings, he has been talking about quadrant levels and all that. So this very week is a discount week, and we'll see how we fail to get to the consequent increment of this week, the 0.5 level. So that's a very good sign. Let me just take this off. So heading to the 50 minutes time frame. So this is typically what I like to see. Let me take this. Let me adjust. Let me adjust this to the left. Alright, it's better. This is what I like to see generally. So if I'm bullish, I wait for a run to take on sell side liquidity, and then we head for my target. So initially, my buy side liquidity was resting here. It was resting here. Okay. Buy side. It was resting here. But see how we took this sell side liquidity around 9 o'clock. Alright. We took this sell side liquidity around, this is 8:15. Okay, which is good. So Thursday 9:30. All right, beautiful. Oh, nice. So we took out our sell side liquidity. All right. So in my mind, I wanted 9:30 to take out this low. I wanted 9:30 to take out this low. All right, but we failed to do that. So I just sat sidelines and waited for another opportunity. So we didn't get that, and for me there was nothing here to go long. So what happened was came back to the chart and then look at how we formed this 15 minutes BC. Buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency is a fair value gap. So see how we wicked inside of it. All right. So going down to the 5 minutes time frame. Going down to the 5 minutes time frame. What do we have here? We have a 5 minutes BC, which is also a fair value gap. All right. Inside of this 15 minutes CB. So see how we fail to reach to the consequent increment of this 15 minutes CB. Let me take off this volume balance so it's clear. See how we fail to reach to the consequent increment of this 15 minutes CB, which is this middle line. All right, we failed to do that, which is good. And look at the 5 minutes CB. ICT teaches to include the volume imbalance. All right. So, and this is not a volume imbalance, it's liquidity void. We don't have any wicks, nothing, no body closure. That is just, this thing I just indicated here. All right. So we failed to even reach the consequent increment of the 5 minutes fair value gap, which is a BC, which is a good sign. So going to the 1 minute time frame. All right, beautiful. So what happened was I waited for a dip in sell side, right? So we took out sell side liquidity here. Took out sell side liquidity here that was resting here. We took it out, and so I'm watching to see if we can disclose above this last up close candle, which is the ICT bullish breaker block. We have a low, a high, and a lower low. So I'm looking at this up close candle. I want to see how price goes above it and see how we closed above it with a fair value gap. And so immediately that was formed, I was looking at this one to be a breakaway gap, such that I don't want to see price get to it, and even if it wants to do it, it's only permitted to, wick and then reject off of it. All right. So when I saw this value gap, I bought here, and my stop loss was placed below this candle. All right, my stop loss was placed below this candle because I don't want to see price get right. I don't want to see price get anywhere here. Okay, so buy side was resting here. I'll show you what I was looking at. 15 minutes time frame. So the buy side is anchored here on this very high. So that was the basis or the grounds of my trade on Thursday. I didn't take anyone on Friday, but yeah, I hope this was insightful. And so if this resonates with you, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and like. So going forward, this is something I want to do with this channel, and you'll see more of my videos. So have fun and good trading.